Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always and as I always wanted to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a very inspiring story of Julia Child. I'm sure most of you have heard her name. She's from US, California. She's from California, US. And surprising thing is, she has done her debut as a chef in the French Chef at the age of 51. Yes, my dear friends. And after that, she has won many awards. She has written many books, and she has been a teacher for. She has been a cook and trainer, teacher for cooking, and she has been amazing in her cooking skills. And surprisingly, she was not interested in cooking as a profession in her early years. So if you really want to go through her inspiring and mesmerizing story, I'll be posting the link of Wikipedia in the description box. You may go through and enjoy the inspiring story. She died in 2004 at the age of 91. However, if she would have not decided this as a career, if she would have thought that I'm too old or something like that, we would have not got such a masterpiece or such an inspirational personality, or I would not be sharing her story right now, right? So today I have a very beautiful and simple wellness mantra for all of you, which will give you definitely happiness and lots of happy hormones also. So my wellness mantra today is serve someone, maybe a food or anything, water or milk. If anyone comes to your house, or if you see any children on roads, you can just buy them something, maybe some ice cream or something, anything, whichever you feel like. Or if someone comes to your house, offer them something which they never expected. And if you see that happiness level, like we get complimentary drinks or we get complimentary food sometimes in restaurant, right? Complimentary desserts. So how would we feel? So in the same way, the way you feel, that person would also feel that way, and you will really feel the happiness and the vibration and energy in you, and it will definitely raises your spiritual aura and your aura also in return. So my wellness mantra is serve someone anything, whatever you like. I'm not restricting you to it, but do that. So you will really feel good. So this is the wellness mantra which will give you happiness and well-being. So please keep on sharing these wellness mantras with someone who really needs this, and these inspirational stories with someone who really needs some motivation to do something. And thank you so much. Gratitude always. Bye bye. Take care.